Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your tomato soup wonderfully thick and flavorful. Achieving that perfect consistency can elevate your meal, transforming a thin broth into a hearty, satisfying dish. We'll explore several straightforward methods, from simply simmering your soup longer to incorporating various thickening agents. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create a beautifully rich and robust tomato soup every time. Let's get started on these simple steps. One of the simplest and most effective ways to thicken tomato soup is through reduction. This involves simmering your soup uncovered over medium-low heat, allowing the liquid to slowly evaporate. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. As the water leaves, the natural solids and flavors become more concentrated, resulting in a richer, thicker soup. This process can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your desired consistency and initial volume. Patience here truly pays off for a deeply flavorful result. For a more immediate thickening effect, you can turn to starch-based agents. A classic method is creating a roux by melting 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisking in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a paste. Cook this for 1 minute, then gradually whisk in a cup of your hot soup. Alternatively, for a gluten-free option, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or arrowroot powder with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a slurry. Slowly whisk either mixture into your simmering soup until it reaches your desired thickness. Finally, you can enhance both the thickness and flavor of your tomato soup by adding other ingredients. Stirring in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream, coconut milk, or even pureed soaked cashews will lend a luxurious, creamy texture. For a healthier, vegetable-packed approach, blend in 1/2 cup of cooked and pureed potatoes, carrots, or even a slice of bread. These additions not only thicken the soup, but also contribute a wonderful depth of flavor, making your homemade tomato soup truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.